Dit is vandaag donderdag. Welkom weer bij mijn kanaal. Today is Thursday. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do the body, parts of the body, the English and Afrikaans names for the parts of the body. Now when we first go to hair, in Afrikaans is hare, hair, hare. Forehead, voorkop. Ear, oor. Ear, oor. Shoulder, skouer. Chest, bors. Elbow, elleboog. Wrist, gewrug. Tummy, maag. Hip, thigh, day. Shin, het is zeker van shin nie, maar Mary. Toe, twin, klein twin, is een lange raad, filafooi, en klein twin. Toe, twin toe. Ankle, spell different, ankle. Knee, my knie, of my knie. Knie of knie. Vinger. Thumb. Dame. Wrist. Waist. That's my middle rift by your maag area, middle rift. Hand. Chin. Kin. Mouth. Mond. Nose. Neus. Eyebrow. Oorhare. Eyebrow. Oorhare. Eye. Oog. Oog. And last is neck. That's a wrap. See you soon. Geniet die donderdag.